right, Wendy, I'm out here at Boone's and Lonesome, and here's your community pond. It's the size of a large swimming pool. It's not a whole lot here. Just going to spin around and show you this little common area. It's really not much bigger than somebody's backyard. And there's the road for Nature's Way. It's my Jeep. House across the street. Okay. And I'll walk down here and show you the quote waterfall. This is just a branch down here. It's not even really a creek. Branch is something that you should be able to step across without getting your feet wet. And there it is, and there's your waterfall. So there's not a whole lot here. I believe that's going to be the property back in there. It's gently sloping. Doesn't look too bad. There's nothing real special about it though. Area is pretty good, but this is not anything great back in here. So I hope that helps.